Hello guys, this is God's Power. So today I want to talk about crypto, how you can invest in crypto.com and make money out of it at the end of the day. So I want to say that this video is educational, is for educational purpose. So if for those of you who want to invest on crypto and you really want to take the next step, I want to show you give you an idea of what you can go and look into, what I want you to do before you start in any crypto, like before you invest on any crypto platform. You need to make sure you do your proper research before you invest on it. So that is what I want to talk about before we get into this video. So what you have to do is to join this crypto platform, which is crypto.com. So how to join it? The first thing you need to do is to install the application, and once you have done installing the application, register and verify your account. And once you are done verifying your account, you need to log in. So me, I will go now and log into my crypto.com account. So as you can see, this is crypto.com. So I have already installed my own crypto.com app on my smartphone, and now I'm going to click on open and log into my own account. So as you can see, it's asking me for my code to log in. So as you can see, I have just logged into my own account. So when you log in, this is how it will look. You will find buy, sell, and deposit or pay. So they have a different method that you can use to make money with crypto. So one thing I like about crypto is that they have a bunch of ways that you can use to make money from them. And there's one thing I want to say on this video. Let me see, you want to join crypto.com. I will leave a link. If you want to use my link, you can use it. It's not compulsory. I'm just saying that if you want to use my link, there's a code that will pop up. You can use my referral code, or you can click the first link in the description if you want to use my referral code. That will give me at least some free cash. So if I click on this icon here, and let me say I click on where it say referral, you will see that you'll be able to refer people to this program, and you'll be making $25 for any verified user that we deposit money to crypto.com. So that is it. So let us go to how you can invest on crypto.com. So because that is the reason why you are here, and that is why you are watching this video. As you can see currently right now, I have $31, 31 euros and 79 cents on my own account currently. I have already used crypto.com. I stopped because I'm not really getting exactly what I really want from crypto.com, but I'm just making this video because I want to reinvest on crypto.com and to learn and to know everything that I want to improve and how I can make more money with crypto. So I discovered some strategy. That is why I say you should keep on watching my video. Just leave me a comment in the comment section below if you want me to give more explanation on how you can make more money with crypto.com. But on this video, we are just going to focus on how you can invest on crypto.com. So how to invest is very simple. I want you to pay, man. Like what I said, you need to make sure you do your proper research before you install in any crypto platform. So if I click on crypto.com icon here, you will see a bunch of things here. You will see crypto wallet, track, fiat wallet, and recurring buy and track target price, card pay, and you can see supercharge and earn, and you can see mission, and you can see reward, you can see referral, you can see crypto.com NFT, you can see booking.com. You earn 25% off any purchase you make on booking.com, and you can see buy with crypto Europe now. And yeah, but what we are going to talk about, how we are going to invest on crypto.com today, is to click on this section where it say earn, this section here. If I click on earn, it will pop this up. As you can see currently, I invested on crypto.com not too long ago. I think 4 months or 3 months ago, and I made some money, and the profit I got was 10 euros. And 10 euros, it's not to 10 euro, let me say $8.10, as you can see, which is €8.10. And if I click on all time here, if I click on this section where it says view complete terms, when I click on that, you will see that I have invested, the money I invested was $328.50. This is my money. Even if the money I invested is on crypto, this money is still my own. So if I click on it now, you will see that it will open and you see all the transaction, and you'll be seeing how much I'm making every week from crypto.com because I invested, and at the end of the week I will be receiving a commission for just investing this money. I want you to pay in mind that this money I invested is still my money, just for me to keep this money on their platform. As long as I invested in any coin that I want to, any crypto currency that I want to use to be making money every single week, that is how it works. As you can see, the coin that I invest on is USD coin. I invested on it because I believe that I will make at least a good amount of money. And as you can see, I invested the long term was 3 months, and I invested $328.50, like I said, and the coin I invested on was USD coin. I want to say that I didn't make a lot of money. You can see how much I made at the end of these 3 months. I made $8. It's not a lot, but I made some money. So this money is still yours. You just need to put your money there, and at the end of the week you'll be receiving percentage for just putting this money there. Let me show you how you can do this. If we go back here, and to invest your money is very simple. If you click on this plus icon here, if I click on this plus icon, you will see that a bunch of coin will pop up here. You can see it says select allocation coin. You can see Chronos, you can see Bitcoin, you can see Ethereum, you can Bitcoin Cash, you can see a bunch of coin here. So you just need to select what you want to use to invest on crypto.com, and at the end of the day you'll be making what I want you. Before you invest on any crypto wallet or crypto platform that you can see here, I want you to do is to go look at what you can make before you can invest. Let us say, for example, want to invest on Bitcoin. If I click on Bitcoin now, it will pop up. It will tell me that they have 3 session or 3 plan. They have the flexible plan, which you can withdraw your asset anytime you want, and they have the 1 month plan. You will not be able to withdraw your money anytime you want. You need to wait until the terms finish, like the terms, and you can invest on the 3 months term, which is you will make up to 0.3/2 Bitcoin, and that is it. You can see the first one, which is flexible, you will make 0.2%, and the 1 month term you will make 0.22%, and on the 3 month terms you make up to on what you want and what you want to use to invest on this Bitcoin. So let me say, for example, I want to invest on this 3 months, or this 1 month, or this flexible plan. The flexible plan, you'll be able to withdraw your money anytime you want, but the 1 month term, the money will spend 1 month before you be able to withdraw the money, and the 3 month term you will not be able to withdraw it until 3 months. So if I click on, let me say, flexible now, I want to use flexible, I will read through the terms and condition. I click on accept, and click on accept the terms and condition here. I click on continue. So what I'm going to do here now is to enter the amount I want to invest on. You can invest, the minimum amount you can invest, I think, is above $100. I think it's above $100. Let us say, for example, want to invest $100. We can just put $100 here, and let us just put $100, and you can see he will tell you that you have a insufficient amount. What you need to do, you need to go and deposit money into your Bitcoin account, a Bitcoin wallet, so that you'll be able to use the money to invest. So that is how you can do it. So I hope that you get the idea. So once you click on invest, this money will start rolling. Every single week you will be able to receive 2% for using Bitcoin to invest, to stake. This is staking, you are staking, and that is it. So I will end this video from here, guys, and I will keep on making more video like this. Like when I invest, once I've invested the amount I want to invest, I will still talk about it, how much I made, and how you can go and invest too. So let me say, for example, you want to invest any other currency, you can click it again and follow the same instruction. Let me say I want to invest in Ethereum. I click on Ethereum. You can see Ethereum is giving us different earnings every single week. You can see the flexible plan is 0.2%, and the 1 month plan is 0.22%, and the 3 months plan is 0.45%. It just depends on what you want to use to invest on this platform. So that is it, and it's so on and so on. So all the coins are here. Select anyone and invest, and see how much you can make at the end of the month. So that is it, guys, and I'm going to end this video from here. And yeah, I will keep on making more videos like this, like showing you tips and how I'm investing on crypto wallet or crypto platforms, and I will keep on bringing news like this. So I will say thank you very much, and I will see you soon on my other video, ways on how you can invest money or make money online. So I will say thank you very much, and see you on the next one.